Big Bad Goblin Blues, the right hand part, the treble clef. We're going to do the first page and the first line of the second page. It just so happens that the third page is basically the same thing again, except for the very last line of the song. Okay, so this video is of the first page and the first line of the second page. So we are in, I might move this over just a little bit. Let's see if I can move it over just a little bit. Okay. Okay, we're in C minor. Your key signature, they didn't write it in, but you would have an E flat. It's called a flat because you move down to the black key. And every time they have it in the song, they have a little flat sign, looks like a little B in front of the E. There will be other accidentals, mostly F sharps. So F, you go up, that makes it a sharp. I think that's all in the section that we are going to be playing. Okay, so at the beginning, you are playing basically chords. So you've got a 1 chord but no bottom on it. So you've got the top 2 notes. So 1 and 2 and then you're just going down on the bottom of the chord, which is a very common thing to do. So the next chord is D and G. The next chord is C and G. And the last one is B and G. And you hold that one for 8 counts if you're counting in 4, or 4 counts if you're counting in 2. Okay, so I'm going to just play that first line. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, second line. This is what will be repeated again on page 3. The first line is not. Actually, you know what? The first line is repeated on the very last line of the song. Okay, so you can kind of compare the first line of the song to the last line of the song. It has the same. And then it has that chord again. And then it has a C. So now you've got the last line of the song too. All right, back to page 1. Second line. Okay, so in blues, you will often have something sharped or flatted that's not written in. And that's what happens here at the beginning. You have a C on the bottom, finger 1, and you have finger 4. It's on an F. It's going up to the F sharp. Okay? So you've got C, F sharp, and then a G. Black key, E flat. Rest. Same thing, basically, again, the rhythm's a little different. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just notice my hand. You should always have it like this. And so the thing you're going to be changing is that F sharp. Now when you do that, you may have to kind of move this finger, but it's going to go back there. Okay, so see how it went back? All right, that's the second line of the song. Guess what? The third line is exactly like it. Line. Fourth line does not have any extra accidentals. Okay, so just remember you've got that E flat. So we're starting on G. Okay, now I didn't tell you to, but you could circle the skips, which will help you. So you've got a G, F, skip down, skip back up, skip down, skip back up, E flat, skip down, skip back up. Lots of skips on that line. Okay, we are ready for the first line on page 2, and that's where we're going to stop on this video. You've actually gone back. That very first measure, measure 17, top of page 2, is the same as the beginning measure at 5 and at 9, the second and third line. So you've got that F sharp back again. Now the second measure is a little different, but it's got the same notes. So you've got F, E flat, F, F sharp, and then G and B is your chord. Okay, so let me play it again. Okay, that's where we're stopping for this video. Remember, third page and first page are basically the same.